Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com and Infotainment.ca. I'm the CEO and founder of the company. Today we're doing a live product showcase. We're going to show you guys all the different products that we carry, including some of our new products. A little bit about us. We do factory parts for automobiles, specifically your domestic vehicles, which include Ram, Jeep, Dodge, the GM vehicles, Ford vehicles, and then now we do Toyota, Nissan, and Mazda. So we do all factory OEM parts. We also make it easy to install. All of our parts and products can be installed in the comfort of your own home or your garage. Do it yourself. No wire cutting or splicing. If it requires wire cutting, we'll develop a harness so everything is 100% plug and play. On top of that, everything is pre-programmed. So you don't need to go to your local dealer. You won't need to go anywhere. You'll have the product delivered right to your house, pre-programmed for a plug and play installation. It comes with a full warranty as well. So all of our parts carry a warranty, 90-day warranty, 30-day money back. We have an awesome tech support team here at Infotainment.com. If you have any questions along the way, we have a team of people to help you and guide you through that install process or troubleshooting. We are located here in the USA, specifically Northeast Orlando in a small town called Oviedo, Florida. We also have a distribution center in Dallas, a wholesale sales office in Jacksonville, and as I mentioned, Infotainment.ca, our newest venture located in Toronto, Canada. We do also have a compatibility guarantee, kind of goes hand in hand with the whole DIY and pre-programming feature where you give us your VIN number of your vehicle. We'll make sure that if you ordered something, we'll make sure that it'll fit before we ship it out. So that's part of our compatibility guarantee. Several different ways you can reach out to us or find more information on us. Obviously, our website, Infotainment.com in the USA, Infotainment.ca for Canada. We also do, we have a great YouTube channel. We have DIY videos that show you how to install most of our products. And then we do also spotlights, product spotlights, give you a little bit more information on the parts that we carry. We also have an Instagram account. Be sure to check that out. Twitter, Facebook. Our Facebook, we update daily, so keep an eye on that. We also have a website blog. So go on to our website. Check out our blog. We do update that frequently as well. And last but not least, we have a podcast. So sometimes we'll talk about infotainment related stuff. Sometimes we just talk about automobiles in general. So be sure to check out our Infotainment.com podcast. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about all the different parts and upgrades that we carry. We're going to start with Ram, and then we're going to take a short little break after that. We'll talk about Ford, Dodge, and Jeep. General Motors, which consists of Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, Buick, and then we'll briefly talk about some of our imports, our Nissan, Toyota, and Mazda. So let's get started with Ram. It's one of our biggest customers is Ram trucks. One of my personal favorites is the Ram truck. Some of the awesome upgrades we carry, I have shown behind me. I'll start with the UAX upgrade. So all your 2019 and up Ram trucks have the capability to go to the UAX option code. This is a factory system. All of our parts are factory, guys. I wanted to make that clear right here in the beginning. This is the factory Uconnect touchscreen, 12.1-inch touchscreen, has built-in GPS navigation, built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You get a whole other wide array of features like HD radio and so on and so forth. Awesome upgrade here. This is going to be the best infotainment system you can put in your Ram 2019 and up. If you want to scale back just a little bit, you can go with our UAV option code. Now the UAV option code, similar to this UAX, it has built-in GPS navigation, HD radio, Sirius XM with TravelLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It has the high-resolution touchscreen, very sharp system for those who want to take a step down from the 12-inch. Take another step down. One of our most popular upgrades actually is our UAM option code. It's a non-navigation unit, 8.4-inch touchscreen. And that unit there is awesome. It's a great price point, has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Very, very easy to install. So take a look at that as well. That's the UAM option code 8.4. Just to notate one thing, these are all plug and play. So you're going to retain your steering wheel controls. You're going to retain Bluetooth. You're going to retain satellite radio, so on and so forth. Now, if you don't have satellite radio in your new body Ram truck, and that's all you want, you don't want to go to a touchscreen, you don't want any of that other stuff, you can go to add a satellite radio through our UAA option code. So be sure to take a look at that. Now, in excess of some of the new radios that we carry for the new body Rams, we carry so much more. I'll touch briefly on a few of them. Power folding mirrors. We've been carrying power folding mirrors back into the 2013 model year. We carry it all. We carry the standard mirror. We carry the tow mirror, power folding tow mirror with the little indicator light underneath, the puddle lamp, the indicator lights on the corner for your blinker. Awesome, awesome, easy to install, 100% factory upgrade. So the 2019 and up, we do carry that. I wanted to mention a few other things about it. We are now carrying blind spot monitoring. So those of you who want power folding mirrors and blind spot monitoring capability, we now offer that, all factory parts. I'll dig a little bit deeper into that with some things that are coming up soon. We also carry now all the LED lights you could possibly want for your Ram truck. And not aftermarket, all factory LED lights. That's the latest and greatest thing right now in automotive technology. Everyone wants LED, right? So we carry everything LED for the Ram. Starting with the headlights, you will get factory Mopar LED headlights. They do come in two different variations. They come with the black bezel, more of a sport look, and they also come with a chrome insert bezel, which is more of like your Laramie type style. So that's the case with all the headlights. You're going to get either a black shroud or a chrome shroud. You can choose between the two. Fog lights, let's talk about that. If you have halogen fog lights on your Ram truck, you can easily upgrade to LED fog lights. We have a full install video, shows you how to do it. Awesome upgrade, 2019 and up Ram trucks. If you don't have fog lights at all, that's coming soon. I wanted to throw that in there, and I'll talk about that in a few minutes. Now let's work our way back from the front of the truck. The clearance lights. So 2019 and up clearance lights on the heavy duty trucks. That is coming soon as well. We have a plug and play kit. Obviously you'll have to drill into your roof, have your installer do that, and you'll have plug and play clearance lights on the top. Moving further back, the Chimsel camera, which is located on the top of your cab above your bed. We do carry LED Chimsel cameras. Now, something that's coming soon, the 2021 Ram 1500 now has the backup camera mirror. The camera is embedded into the Chimsel camera or into the Chimsel light. So that is something that's going to be coming out soon as well. But maybe if you just want to add LED lighting on your third brake light, and getting away from the halogen lights, the incandescent lights, take a look at the options that we have, both for the 1500 and for the heavy duty. So that's coming out here real soon. That is the one with the mirror, the rear view camera mirror. And again, I'll talk about that here in just a minute. Some other things, working your way back even further. I don't have it on the table here, but we do have the LED bed lights. So that means when you unlock your car, the two lamps that are in your bed will illuminate the whole cargo area, which makes it really nice at night. Furthermore, if you unlock and open up your tailgate, it'll also illuminate. That is an awesome feature is there as well. Going back at the end, you have your tail lights. So all the 2019 and up Ram tail lights come with the LED signature lighting around the perimeter on the outside. You also can get it with the blind spot monitoring. I mentioned that earlier. If you want blind spot monitoring, you can opt for that particular tail light. If you don't really care about blind spot monitoring, you can still upgrade to the LED tail lights through Infotainment.com. Again, plug and play, and it comes with everything you need to get up and running. Another thing that we have been carrying since the 2013 model year is the premium digital cluster. Now, the digital cluster is an awesome upgrade for those of you who have the standard base model cluster, the little tiny screen where it shows you your miles per hour and your odometer. Once you go to the full digital cluster, you're going to get access to a lot more digital gauges. The graphics are going to be a lot better. It just looks really, really cool at nighttime. It really enhances the look and feel of your vehicle. I always say if you replace your cluster and you replace your infotainment system, right away, it's going to be an awesome technological upgrade to your truck. And not just Ram, we'll get into Ford and GM later in the video, but those are awesome upgrades, very easy to install as well. A few other little things I wanted to brush on is we do offer now the plug and play integrated trailer brake controller for the Ram truck, full Mopar, all Mopar parts. You simply install it in your truck. It's already pre-wired for it, guys. So all you got to do is plug it in, install your module, and then we partner with OBD Genie for a plug and play programmer. You run it through your OBD2 port, and it activates the feature. So that is very popular. We've sold hundreds of those. We just released it a couple months ago, so be sure to take a look at that. Some other things like I was talking about earlier, we do have a lot of upgrades coming out. This year's been kind of a hectic year in so many different ways with the whole COVID situation. It's given us a lot of time to do research and development. So 2021 is going to be a big year for us. We got a lot of upgrades for Ram trucks in the pipeline. Specifically, I mentioned before, blind spot monitoring with the Ram trucks. The 2021 Ram 1500 finally has power folding tow mirrors. So 19 and 20, they didn't have a power folding tow mirror option. That's going to be something we're going to carry as soon as Mopar releases it. So be sure to look for that too. Your 19 and 20 Ram 1500, you want those tow mirrors because you're towing a trailer. Be sure to look for that because we're going to have it. It's going to be amazing. Front and rear parking sensors. There's nothing worse than sometimes driving a big truck. You have someone else drive your truck. They're not used to it. They don't know how far they're going forward or backwards. The backup camera really helps a lot, especially when you upgrade to a big 12-inch screen. Field of view looks great, but parking sensors are equally as important. It'll give you those audible alerts as you're getting close to something when going in reverse or going forward, parking in a garage, let's just say. That's going to be available here in 2021. The harnessing, everything's ready to go in just a few weeks. So be sure to look for that. Another upgrade that I personally wanted is the Homelink. A lot of you who ordered your truck, the Tradesman, a Bighorn, you don't have the Homelink garage door opener on your driver's side visor. We already built the harness to be able to plug and play replacement visor with integrated Homelink and an integrated vanity mirror that's illuminated. So you'll notice the passenger side has it, driver's side doesn't. That's going to be something we're going to offer here real soon. Going further than that, power running boards. So when you open your door, running boards will extend. You close your door, they'll retract up. That's already something we have in the works. We already have the programmer. We already have the parts. We're going to do a full installation video here soon to show you guys how you can do it at home. As I mentioned before, the LED fog light upgrade, those of you who don't have fog lights currently, a lot of you with the Bighorn Ram heavy duties, you don't have those fog lights. You want to add it. It's going to be a plug and play kit we'll have here very soon. I also mentioned the Ram 1500 mirror, or the rear view camera mirror that's installed in the cab of the truck. It's going to get that feed, LVDS feed from the digital camera built into the Chimsel. So that's going to be a great upgrade for your Ram 1500 2019 and up. Taking that a step further, talking about cameras, 360 camera. We've had so many requests for people that want 360 camera in their truck. You'll notice on your mirror, you're going to have cameras built into your side mirrors. You're going to have a camera built into your tailgate handle. And then you're going to have a camera built in behind your grill. So those are going to be an option, all an option for your 2019 and up Ram trucks coming very soon. Few others. Remote start. Plug and play remote start is coming very soon. We're just finishing up on a few R&D projects before we release that. The other good thing about that is it also gives you an option for remote tailgate drop. So not only will you be able to start your truck from your remote, you'll also press the button and it'll drop your tailgate. We will include a shock that you can easily install, so it's not just going to drop right away. It'll drop slowly. So that'll be an exciting upgrade for your 2019 and up Ram trucks. Last but not least, we still have more. These are just kind of the big ones. So last but not least, we've been asked, we've been in business for 12 years now. We've been asked over and over, when are you going to offer audio upgrades? When are you going to offer audio? Here at Infotainment, we try to stick with all factory OEM parts. Now, installing a factory OEM amplifier with speakers and a subwoofer can be very, very expensive. That's why a lot of people go aftermarket with sound. Now, when you go aftermarket with sound, there's a lot of wire cutting, a lot of wire splicing. You got to run battery, you have to run power and ground through your firewall to your battery. It becomes a big pain in the neck. Here in Infotainment, we're going to do audio and sound the right way. We're going to make it plug and play like we traditionally have. We're going to offer the Class D amplifiers through Alpine, fully plug and play for all the vehicles. We're going to start with Ram. We're going to move to Jeep. We'll get into Ford and GM as well. But those amplifiers are going to be 100% plug and play, installed right behind your radio. And you can either have one that does your speakers, or you can have one that's going to power a factory subwoofer. Now, the amplifier for the subwoofer, the mono amp, is just a little bit bigger, but still compact, Class D, and it will power a factory subwoofer. So look for that as well. Early 2021, that's going to be a fantastic, easy to install, plug and play sound upgrade. So that's pretty much it for Ram. Again, go to our website. We have a lot of other stuff to choose from, especially the older Rams. I'm just talking about the newer ones right now. We carry a whole ton of stuff for the old body Rams going back to 2007.